Hey, what's going on? What is going on, everybody? It's Street Trading here with our weekly trade recap video. Let's get right into it. We're actually wrapping up another solid week in the markets, the 5th through the 9th of April. And as you can see, we're looking at 15-minute chart of SPY. As you could see, the boys just keep squeezing shorts left and right, just pushing prices. Obviously, almost on a daily basis, we're printing new all-time highs. So, you know, how far could this thing go before we have a decent sized correction? Who knows, right? And you know, if you continue to try to step in front of a moving train, you're gonna get your ass rolled over. And you know, a lot of guys trying to top tick this this run up, they're just getting blasted, right? So, you know, that's why there's, you know, you don't ever want to try to be top ticking, or obviously, you know, getting the bottom on the reversals. Just wait for the print to happen, guys. You know, wait for the move to occur. Hop on board, take the meat of the move. It's never cool to be the first of the party, guys. All right. So at the end of the day, you know, there's an argument on both sides. Obviously, you know, we're coming into the backside of this COVID thing. And obviously the economy is trying to open up, and obviously stimulus, you know, getting injected into the hands of those that need it. So there's a lot of, you know, capital being deployed, dispersed across all sectors, industries, obviously the market as well, newcomers coming in. So, you know, there's an argument as to, you know, why and how this market is pushing this high, this far, this fast. But how far and how high could this thing go before a decent size correction gets underway? It remains to be seen. But at the end of the day, it's still pushing, right? It's still pushing. So keep that in mind, right? Keep that in mind. Trade the flow. Listen, there's always opportunity. We talk about it all the time. Plenty of opportunity to the downside when markets are printing higher highs and higher lows. So don't get it twisted, all right? You know, we're not long-term investors. We're active traders. So we use SPY, we use the Q as benchmarks, but at the end of the day, we can give two shits if it's printing higher and we're looking at a downside gap down fucking fade. All right, so it's just something to keep in mind. That's all. Keep that in the back of your head. Use this as fuel for your individual securities if you're trading that way. It depends how you're trading at the end of the day, really. If you want to stand on your head and you know, print 40, 50 tickets in a session, and it works for you, more power to you, man. Do your thing. You got to think about this for a second. If anybody ever tells you you can't do something a certain way, like you shouldn't trade this way, you can't do this, all that's doing is it's spotlight, showcasing their weaknesses. All right, that's all it is. It's telling you that they can't do something. Doesn't mean it can't be done. It says that they can't do it. So run far and run fast away from people like that. Whatever works for you, you do that thing. All right. If you only want to trade one stock a day, and that works for you, you do that. If you want to trade 50 stocks a day, you do that. It doesn't matter. All right, point is, do your thing. Whatever works for you, be the best at that. Anybody tells you otherwise, fuck them. All right? All right, guys, let's get into kind of getting on a little bit of rant here. Let's get into securities we traded last week, stop outs we took, obvious some lessons, some trades we didn't take. There's some obviously key lessons that we wanted to kind of go over. And let's just get right into it. All right, guys, let's get into some details here.